Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to discuss about unstuck problem, and we are going to remove cognitive dissonance and chaos from our brain. Sometimes something is operating at subconscious level, but we don't know. Our subconscious, it controls our blood circulation, our digestion system, our when we are in dream, when something is growing in our body. So digestion system, blood circulation system, our blood pressure, our memory, thoughts, even our certain unconscious level feelings as well. So everything is being operated by subconscious brain. We have two part in our brain. I have already discussed left side of the brain and right side of the brain. So right side of brain is neutral, it's positive one, but the left side of the brain, it always think about past and present. It is contemplating, thinking. It's a thinking mind. So in our prefrontal cortex, there is some reasoning mind. What happened whenever we want to unstuck from certain situation? But there is another program which is at implicit level, which is at subconscious level, that is not let us to move out. So for example, you want to speak, you want to deliver lecture, and you want to speak at public level. You want to deliver lecture, you want to live and run program like that. You want to run live stream. So what happened? You are unstuck. You don't deliver something. The thing is that at your early childhood level or in your class level, you might utter something, but your teacher, he rejected. So at that time, you felt embarrassed, ashamed, and you was ridiculed by people, by students, and by teacher as well. So that something lying in your subconscious. Whenever you want to express something, whatever happened with you at your college level, at your school level, that is still running in your subconscious. And whenever you utter something, same your subconscious, it takes the same program whatever already in part of your body. So it takes and it just prevail onto your body. So you are unable to express yourself. So if you want to remove this implicit behavior, unconscious behavior, which is ruling your body, which is controlling your body, you want to unstuck yourself, you want to come out from this situation, then you must rehearse yourself. Then you practice, rehearse. So for that, you have to create new neural pathway in your brain. Your brain has a neuroplasticity. You can create new pathway, new channels. So whenever somebody embarrassed you, somebody just laughed at you, so something created in your brain, some neural pathway or neural pattern created in your brain, and it is running at subconscious level. You can't unstuck easily. So how you are going to unstuck? First of all, you have to rehearse, you have to practice, you have to meditate, and you have to recreate neural pattern for your work. So there was a experiment conducted on some people. So they were given piano. So they have to play this piano. So the student or people, they were playing piano and they were practicing and rehearsing this piano. What happened? So whenever they take their, you know, MRG test, MRI test, whenever they take their MRI test, so magnetic resonance image test, when they take test, there are some new neural pattern in their brain. So the people, they were not rehearsing and making practice. There were no neural patterns in their brain. So you have to come out from neural pattern they are created, and they are part of your subconscious. Once you make new pattern in your brain, you can come out from your problem, which is part of the subconscious. One thing more, whenever you want to do something, there are two voices. One voice say that it's an easy, I can do that. But at implicit level, some voices, they are also coming from your brain that you can't do that. You are not smart enough. You are not good enough. You are not confident enough to do this thing. So there are no proper blueprint. So you implicit voices are coming and they are pulling you back. You have to rehearse and practice to remove this voice and give blueprint to your explicit voice. And one thing more, whatever you make practice, whatever you do, it is going to create blueprint and pattern in your mind, and it will be easy to do this. You must bring your life from autopilot to conscious, from gorilla mindset to conscious mindset. Gorilla mindset is just like whatever it wants, it will get. It does not know anything. So your conscious mind and your subconscious mind, they don't have any connection. They are two brother of same father, same parents. They are two brother, two son of same parent, but they don't have any link between each other. You can't connect them. How you can connect them? There are some waves they are operating in your mind. So whenever you are going to sleep, or you are in a waking or sleeping position, you can rehearse and put something through affirmation, to meditation, to practice. You can enter data in your subconscious mind. But whenever your brain is engaged, it does not know what is happening. So you have to enter data consciously in your brain, and your brain keeps data in the form of visual, in the form of audio, in the form of auditory, visual, and kinesthesia. So don't say to your children and your student, don't do this, don't do that, don't go outside, don't play cricket. So if you want to take work from your student and children, say them what they have to do. Don't say don't do this. Rather, you should say, do this one. So if you want to remove some bad habit or a habit mind, something that you have made part of your subconscious, then you have to prepare activity as compared to the subconscious level already you have. So make proper and solid exercise and activity that can replace the activity you already have. Since you can't remove it, but at the same level you can prepare another other activity that will be ultimately replacing that activity. This is how you can unstuck your mind. Hope you learned about how to remove cognitive dissonance. This way you can remove cognitive dissonance and chaos, because chaos occur when there is no alignment in your conscious and subconscious level. So you need to create alignment with your conscious and subconscious mind. Once you are able to create, you can achieve your target, what you want to do and what you want to get. Stay blessed, and don't forget to comment on my channel. If you want to have any video, just comment and I will create video for you. Stay blessed.